What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who now. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today, man. This is Vlogmas Day 3, guys. And if it's your first time coming across my channel, I am doing Vlogmas. I got to get this disclaimer. So basically, Vlogmas is YouTubers. You post a video from December 1st to December 25th every day. But that's what I'm doing. I usually don't do this. I usually upload twice a week, but now I'm trying to do every day. So my videos, what you're seeing now, I normally like this. So if you come across the channel for the first time, definitely check out some of the other content. This is Vlogmas, so it's gonna be a little different from what I normally do. I get this question asked all the time, right? All the time. And that's about my truck. So, and that is, what is my gas mileage? What is my average MPG? I get this question over and over, and I actually did a video on it, but I do another video because some of you all are new to the channel, haven't seen it. If you don't know, I have a 2015 3.5 EcoBoost F150, right? It's not a Raptor, it just has the Raptor grill. Standard Raptor, when it came, got me saying Raptor. The standard F150 3.5 EcoBoost F150, man, stock. When I say stock, I'm about to explain that. Average MPG is 17, I think, city, and 23 highway. I have a F150, but mine is lifted, as you probably can or cannot tell. I'm also running 35-inch tires by 20-inch rim. So I'm on a 6-inch rough country lift. And yes, that has impacted my gas mileage for sure. So I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I need to go to the gas station, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk about it on the way over there. And I'll get to, you know, my average MPG. So I do have the 36 gallon tank. And so it's a pretty big tank. I think on a full tank of gas, even with the lift and tires, man, I think I get about 450 miles, 459 miles to a full tank. So one of the things I do to compensate filling up this truck, it's a big tank, and actually I have to run 93. I don't run 87 in my EcoBoost because I am tuned by MPT for performance. I'm running their 93 PRX tune. I have to use 93 gas. So one of the things I do to compensate, I can tell you right now, when I go all the way down to E and to fill this thing back up, it's well over $100. So what I do to compensate is I always fill up at half tank. I always fill up at half tank. To me, it's just a mind thing. I can tolerate $30 to $40, right, every other week or every week. But man, just when I go to the gas station, I get that $100 bill for one fill up. It just hits me in my chest, like my heart, like, oh. So I can't do it. So I fill up half tank all the time. And actually a friend from high school taught me that a while ago. And ever since high school, I've been doing it when I had my first car. And from what I hear, to correct me if I'm wrong, you get more MPG on the full side of the tank as opposed to the empty side of the tank, is what I heard. But anyway, and don't, okay, this car is not going. Thank you. And don't think just because if you fill up a half tank, you still have old gas in your car. That's not true. You'll be surprised, not surprised, but just imagine how much riding and driving you do. The gas is slushes around and mixes together. So you're not just getting, it's not like you put gas in and all the old gas sits at the bottom and new gas just sits on top. This lady cannot drive. Holy crap. Pay attention. Anyway, I try to use my discount through Shell Rewards. I usually get like 10 cents off every Tuesday through T-Mobile. Shell give me 5 cents off, and then T-Mobile give me 10 additional cents every Tuesday. So it's like 15 cents off. So I usually fill up every Tuesday or before Friday when it runs out. So to fill up a half tank, it costs me anywhere probably between $36 to $42. So I could guarantee you today it's gonna probably cost about $36 to $42. But let me tell you, with a lifted truck, guys, it's not about the average miles per gallon. It's SMG, miles per SPG. Yes, miles per gallon, guys. When you're in a lifted truck and you riding, bro, and you sitting high and everybody, you know, turning heads, oh, that's a nice truck, you're not worried about the MPG. If you're buying a lifted truck and you are concerned about MPG, don't get a lifted truck. Just leave it stock. I don't know if you put bigger wheels on it. You put bigger wheels on it, those bigger wheels still may slow down the truck, you know, more weight to carry. And so it may even not average as much then. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and pump gas, and it is about $2.39 a gallon. I will say $2 while we're waiting for that to pump. My speedo has been corrected with my tune, with the lifting tires. It is going to throw off your speedometer a bit. I think now it's off by maybe like 1 mile per hour. It used to be off like 4 or 5. Well, I think anything below 50, it's off by like 1 or 2. Anything over 50 or 70 or something like that, it's off by like 4 or 5. So something like that. I did do a video on the MPG fix. I'll post that in the car in the description. How to make sure your MPG is calculated correctly. The speedo being off has anything to do with the MPG though, honestly. Don't think so. All right, guys, so it just stopped, and I can tell you shoes a little thirsty today. So I'm not sure if y'all heard this. I seen this on fast lane trucks. After the pump stops, you wait 30 seconds, and then you top it off, and that's like your true full gas tank. I just watched them do it in So I started doing it. So it went off. It was actually 41.29, but we're gonna wait 30 seconds, go do it again. That really quick. See this? See what we get. So 40. So I got about an extra 60 cents. I'm not sure what it was a gallon, but about so 41.81 to fill up that half tank. Receipt. I do need that receipt. Yes, tax purposes, baby. Get that real quick for my child. Let me get that for my child. I actually don't need it. I got the app, and since I get all my gas from Shell, I only use Shell gas, by the way, guys. Like 99% of the time, I try to stick with Shell, and it's because, not sure if you know, I'll show y'all. There's a right here. Most gas stations have this top tier gasoline. That's when you know you're getting top tier gas. So yeah, if you're looking for that in the future, there you go. Shell is one of the places that has top tier gas. This is gonna be my first year too, where I have to get somebody professionally probably to do my tax return, because this is my first year. I was getting paid like the whole year on YouTube, so actually don't need this receipt, but I got the app and I use QuickBooks and I document everything. So I get an email, a copy of my receipts. It makes it easy for me. Usually before I take off and drive, after I fill up, I always reset my gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm averaging before I reset it. I always keep mine on the trip 2. So trip 2, y'all can see right there, I'm averaging, since the last time I filled up, 12.1 miles per gallon.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
That's right. So I always reset this one. Boom. So go back to 0. So that kind of shows me what I'm at. And if you want to know what trip 1 is like, the lifetime of the vehicle, that's 14.6. So, yep. So y'all saw it. I average 12.1 miles per gallon. For all of those asking. So if that's not enough for you, like, bro, that ain't nothing. Yeah, you're right. It's not that much, but it's miles per gallon, man. Now on the highway, I think I seem to get up to like what, 15 to 16? I think like high, mid 15. When I went out of town, I take the truck out of town. If I'm on the interstate, like I do a lot of like city driving, like light to light. So that's why you're saying that number. But if I do like a lot of highway driving and stuff like that, it averages about 13, 14 miles per gallon. God, that cop just passed by, and my windows are dark tinted too. Y'all, it's 5%. He didn't say anything. Depending on how I'm driving, where I'm going, I get up to between about 14, 15. About most time I average between 12 and 13 with day-to-day city driving. I took my truck out of town twice, and that's when I think I seem to get up to 15. I did a video on that too if y'all want to check it out. Took it all the way to Louisiana, 6 hours away, and she did great. So another vlogmas video. Go keep going. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Got y'all some information. Again, I'm trying to just cover as much as I can, just every day. Questions I get asked, things that's on my mind. Y'all get to know me personally. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.